Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add business contacts onto your Shopify store. So your business contacts will be something that appear on the bottom of the page of your Shopify store. So for example here, I'm just going to go onto settings here, bottom left with the gear icon, and then scroll down and then go to policies. And on policies, you'll see here, this is your contact information. So your business contact information. Just click on this and then I'm going to insert my template, but you can write it on your own if you want. But basically, this will be your business contact. I'm going to publish this. And then once published, we can see if we go onto our website here, online store, themes, and then customize. And from here, if you see, if we scroll all the way down, there it is. There's going to be your contact information. If they press it, it'll come up like this, and this will be your business contact.